You look like a Fruit Loop.
A Fruit Loop.
You are my true love. Abigail Sunshine Vlogs.
Mom, what's today? It's my birthday. It's Mama's birthday, so I wanted to vlog today because it's a very special day because it's Mommy's birthday. Get in here.
Get your butt up in here.
Yay, Marissa's here.
Aww.
Say hi.
So cute.
Hi. So we're here at the fair.
I'm playing Pokemon Go. Don't judge me.
Guys, it's Alexis. Okay, so when are you performing? And like when? At 6?
Yeah,
She's performing at 6. There's Lindsay. Haley. Haley. Aw. Okay, we're going up there. Run, Lexus, run.
That airs on Channel 21. We're so excited to be entering our 4th season.
Lindsay
and
slays.
as such, we're not just airing
I
here
love
in the
her.
Louisville market.
Lexi did so amazing. I'm so proud of her for this lighting. Mother, come share this wonderful lighting with me. Didn't she do amazing? She did amazing. More than that. She was incredible.
We are vlogging at the fair.
Oh, look at this glow.
And it's my birthday.
Try to picture just straight up of you, right?
Look at bend down somewhere.
Nice.
I get the one.
I'm on my knees right now. You be looking like a Fruit Loop.
A Fruit Loop. Every year
Check it out.
I get these little, these are my absolute favorite. I get only the lemon ones, but I like the lemon honey, and they have like honey inside, and it's so freaking good. It's like my addiction, and I love it. Oh, there's a green one for Bubby. Thanks, Mom. There you go. Cute. Isn't that cute? I love this one.
Every year. Pop always needed to help me.
Thank you.
What about the baby
See the
chick?
wallaby?
I want to see a wallaby. What's a wallaby? Oh, what's a kangaroo? I forgot. I am a wallaby. That's a dingo. We finally made it to the marketplace. My favorite. Oh, that's so cute. So we're gonna look around. So, Deja, my great friend, she had like a soap facial bar, and I wanted one. So my mom came to the fair and got me one, and I didn't know. So we're gonna go to the facial bar lady. Right to Life. We got 2 t-shirts. I'm so happy. So we're gonna go. So we're getting the Florida Sunshine, obviously, and the Rosemary, Frank, and Mint. I already got the minty tea tree and the lavender charcoal, and it's amazing.
Now, is there?
I'm also getting
oil or
this
nothing
honey
Just clean.
oatmeal with goat milk, and it's so good for like an exfoliator.
Mom?
This is a video.
Oh, a video. We always.
Mom, you should know by now. It's, okay, Michael's upset because he ate a pickle over there. They were delicious.
It was a ghost pepper pickle. My lips are inhale extra pickle.
So he is literally blistering. Poor thing. That's disgusting, but like, you're my brother, so I can't.
I need some milk. Ice cream.
You need some dairy.
Cool it off. Let's go get ice cream to cool it off.
Okay, Bubby. I don't know my puff. My vlogging puff. Are you?
Hey, that's ice.
Ah, stop it. Hey, you need some ice to cool that blister?
Let's go.
Ice. What? Boot gang. Boot gang. Michael, go. Boot gang. Boot gang.
Boot gang.
A man over there.
This lady just went up to me and said, Do you speak English? And she was American. We're getting lemonade, a refill, because lemonade's my thing.
What?
Lemonade's my thing. You know that, right?
Yeah, I just got 2 new Pokemon home with a Pokedex.
Oh, brother. Thank you. Yay, so we're here at the fountain. Mommy. And then Bubby and Papa. What are you getting, Papa? What is he doing? Riding a Pokemon gym. Hey, look at him go. Look at him go. Went in the fountain. What? Somebody went in the fountain.
There's someone in the fountain.
There's somebody in the
Violation?
They're so stupid.
911, what's your mercy?
I'm over for Instagram.
She's gonna be cold and wet. How is she gonna get home?
Why would they do that?
I bet they had like a dare.
Yeah.
Psycho. Why did
I just missed a boat. Me, Trey, Cole, and Kaylee did the boat, and it was so fun. Bye!
But I'm up the west side. You know I love the west side.